Now, it's seen as a staple of the Scottish traditional music scene, but the accordion's been finding a whole new audience thousands of miles away in the Bahamas. Two Moray musicians have just returned from Nassau, where they've reintroduced the instrument to a new generation with a shared musical history. Mackay reports.
Better days are coming, but this upbeat song's more likely to be heard closer to a beach than a ceilidh hall. It's a tune husband and wife Graeme and Magdalena Mackay brought back after 3 weeks teaching accordion in the Bahamas. The opportunity arose after accordion teacher Graeme spotted an advert on social media looking for instructors, and the couple soon discovered that they may be thousands of miles apart, but Scotland and the Bahamas both share a love of the instrument.
It was the Industrial Revolution that helped the accordion become mass-produced, and a lot of countries adopted it into their traditional music because it became the instrument of the party. You could take it anywhere. So they were transported around the world very easily, and that's how they ended up in the Bahamas and a lot of other places as well. So when the sailors and settlers got to a lot of these islands, they were traded. In the Bahamas in particular, they came up with a musical rake and scrape, which is the accordion, the button accordion in particular, because that's all they had, and the goatskin drum, and they used a screwdriver and a saw to get the rhythm.
The Mackay's visit made the local Bahamian news as word of the project spread over the islands, and they were very impressed with the enthusiasm of students, including 18-year-old LeBron.
We didn't know how to prepare ourselves and what we will find there. And we were hoping for a good collaboration, but we didn't expect the reception will be as good. And people loved what we've done there. And we loved the people were fantastic, very, very welcoming. And children loved our activities and they learned quite a lot. We had a beautiful showcase at the end of the workshop and everybody was so enthusiastic about it.
Graeme and Magdalena are keeping up the lessons with students online and will soon begin fundraising to return again next year to continue bringing the box to the Bahamas. Mackay, STV News.